explore Guangzhou, no better way to do it than on a mobike, aka the public shared bikes that are everywhere. And if you're a tourist, you're gonna have to borrow an account from a local to help you rent these, because you need a Chinese bank account to sign up for the app. It's kind of like Uber app, and then you scan the bike, it unlocks, and you ride it. So Danny, our sourcing agent, is helping me. Or you can just ask a random local on the street. Hopefully they speak English. Just keep asking people until someone understands you and they speak English, and say, hey, can you help me unlock this bike? And they'll be like, yep, boop. They'll unlock it for you, and then ride and explore. And there are millions of bikes. Look at all those over there. Just gonna rent those. Anyways, my goal with today was I wanted to see a little bit of old Guangzhou. I call it real China. So we're in Western Guangzhou, and for specific locations, check the links in the description. But we're gonna ride around and try to get some good images of old Guangzhou, aka the heart of the Silk Road back in the day. A couple hundred years ago, this was like the center of all things poppin', especially opium. So let's go try to see some stuff. I see a tuk-tuk, dude. I see a rickshaw. I've never seen that in this whole nearly a month here. Yes, you can also go by that. So let's see some beautiful China. Mwah. Oh yeah. Just riding through China right now. Woo! This street's got a lot going on. I'm loving this. The trees, just the sun peeking through, just kissing your face, kissing the freckles. Everyone's shopping and buying food. Yeah! That guy having fun trying to get on camera. Love it. If you've been to Vietnam, you know they're doing this a lot more than I noticed in China, just bumping Asian techno music outside their store. But anyways, I got to a little square, and this looks pretty cool. This place is popping. Danny was just telling me that all the college girls come here to buy their clothes. It's the cheapest place to buy clothes around. Wow, this is cool. Drones. It ain't China without drones. Yeah, what is this? Oh, this is like jelly stuff? Alright. What I'm calling Chinese Jello in the backest alley I've been in. And it tastes like green tea, kind of. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Water chestnut starch. Well, there you go, guys. Okay, now I got some of the black kind. Mmm, yummy, like sesame or something. Jello.
They put some magic, like the fur, from the fur.
It's got magical powers, that's all I heard. Yum. There are a million like jade jewelry shops selling green jewels. Oh.
I will buy here, you go inside.
Oh, nice.
Price is not allowed to go inside.
Yeah.
Hop here. Okay? You go inside.
Alright, we've reached the holy place. This is the first temple that I've seen or even been to in the China experience. Let's check it out. That's what we're looking for. Money tree. Oh my god. Alright, here it is. This must be the temple of 100 Buddhas, or maybe 1,000. This is what the guy last night told me to see. Whoa. Temple of 500 statues. I'm not a history expert, but you guys can let me know more history. I've never seen more golden statues in my life.
Awesome.
And they're all different, which is dope. This is some dope-ish right here. This is bringing me back to, like, I'm feeling like I'm in ancient Chinese times right now. This is some, look at the mullets. Look at the mullets on some of these guys. Oh god. Like, I wonder if these were based off of, like, real people, real holy men, real monks, whatever you want to call them. That's so crazy. Okay, what is this giant pillar of holiness? Spinning pillar. Anyway, so my goal of today was to see quote-unquote real China. If all I did was that, I would be very satisfied. That was honestly one of the coolest temples I've ever been in.
I'm very sad. They don't know the
She's sad because she's a Christian. The bed full of money was interesting. People throwing money, giving money. Of course, in many religions, people give money and stuff. But anyway, that temple with all the golden statues was so cool. Definitely, if you visit Guangzhou and you want to see some real China, come straight here. You'll be satisfied. I'm satisfied if I don't see anything else today. But let's keep going. It's still early in the day. It's only like 2 p.m.
About the 500 gods, they don't even know the gods.
Okay, we're not talking about religion, man. It's not even religion. It's just, it's spiritual. It's spiritual. It's holy. It's culture.
I just want to say that Guangzhou God is Jesus Christ. Believe me.
Hail Jesus. Okay, this place is dope. This guy's pushing.
From that angle, it's really cool.
Never been here?
I don't. It's my first
This is,
time.
man, this place is dope. Gotta do it, gotta do it. Finally some, you know, Chinese culture. But if you really want to see China culture, you gotta go to Beijing. That's what everyone says. So, if you're traveling China, yeah, don't miss Beijing.
Yeah. From there, like this.
I like how they got the hot soup in the cup, the green tea cups.
Oh, maybe you need to keep one of these. Peanut
gift boxes. Oh, it's sesame on it.
Already has some more.
谢谢.
不用。
Alright guys. Alright, first of all we got
I like it. Olive.
fried tofu classic.
Tofu skin.
Tofu skin.
摘烧鹅。哦，这个就叫摘烧鹅。摘烧鹅。It tastes like goose meat.
Goose meat? Goose flavor?
Vegetarian goose meat.
Vegetarian goose meat. Yum. Cold flower tea, classic. Ooh, bit sweet, refreshing, delicioso.
Cantonese okra.
Yeah. Oh my God! You're so Chinese. No. American football. We can't do that. Okay, come on. I remember this came from Vietnam, but it came from China, right? Shenzhen.
They will build a tower for our fire. This means like the.
Oh, it's Chinese Burning Man. Yeah, I got you.
They will build a gate, like this gate. Really cool, right?
Village gate.
Yes. You, this one is you.
Nope.
Danny?
Ah.
But it doesn't look like Danny, it looks like more you.
Parker just sent me. Might as well put this on a freaking video. Okay, so went to Medina Elementary, tagged. So that's Parker,
Danny?
that's Danny. This is like 3rd, 4th
Who is
grade.
you?
And that's Blake right there. That's Jeremy. That's who I used to do my comedy and music CDs with Jeremy. And I'm not in that picture, but anyways, that's proof that we really grew up since the playground together. Watched the other Canton Fair vlogs, and the Amsterdam vlogs, and the Kenya vlogs with Blake, me, Danny, everyone, the whole crew, and also India, Spain, Danny. Danny's our #1 homie, obviously, Danny, Blake, and Parker from the very beginning, and Jeremy. So yeah, travel links from all the countries that we've been to in the description.
Lai fen. Local special noodles.
Wow. Carrots and chili. And a meal without greens. Ooh, yes. This is the main event.
Yeah.
Famous fish skin. What to try first? Big wide noodles. I'm gonna go in for a nice piece of the famous cow intestine here. It's very juicy. It's got like juice right in the middle. Not as chewy as you would expect. I had 2 of them before I spoke. And here's some like fat. That flavor though. So delicious. It's about $8 for all this food, guys. Wow. Cheap. Tell you what, Danny, that was a good choice.
Yeah.
That was so delicious. Back on the bike, I got a yellow one. I asked a couple people and a guy rented a bike for me. Loving these trees, loving these old streets, just freaking crushing life right now, man. Crushing life in China. Taking a shortcut. Shortcut through there, yep. Don't get hit by a bus. That said, if I do, I died happy, guys. I died satisfied. I went after our dream of traveling the world, and I've seen more than 99% of people. So, that said, still don't get hit by a bus. Look both ways. Alright, we just took the metro like 15-20 minutes to Foshan, which is technically another city, kind of like a Seattle, Tacoma type of thing going on. And I have no idea. Just here. Yeah, and that sun is glowing right there. The metro goes a long ways. Alright, let's see what we can see. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, Danny just asked someone's random Uber. That's what you call an old school Chinese Uber hijacking. The bridge, Foshan. After seeing this skyline, it's more of a Bellevue to Seattle situation going on, like 20 minutes away from Guangzhou. You know, why not? Check it out. The metro goes here. Just hop on the metro and go. That's the motto of metro in Guangzhou. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas. Oh God. Okay, we got a pagoda over there sticking up. That's cool. You're goddamn right. This lake is called Thousands of Lights Lake. If you want it, you can get it for the rest of your life.
Close your eyes
and use
your imagination.
We are now in some place, some tea shop, sipping Chinese tea.
转地铁也可以。对，坐地铁方便嘛？因为我的手机。
Yeah. He's like, I love YouTube. Feng shui in here.
OK， 我们去。
就啥？拜拜。Guiyang. Must be like. I just got this little necklace, this little pouch from them for sharing us the need. Bye bye. 谢谢. For 100, like 15 bucks, came in this nice little pouch. You know, whatever. Cool stuff. Say thank you for treating us to some free Chinese tea break.
You've just reached the end of this video.
Subscribe now.